How do you fall in love? How do you surrender yourself to another while honoring the best parts of yourself? How do you take a knee and claim your throne? How do you decide that this 1 out of 6 billion gets the horror, oops, that was a spelling error, I meant honor of your deepest affections? These questions are complicated, layered, and a life's worth of work. But hell, it's 2017, so let's answer this in a 1-minute video. Let's go. 1, start out by staring intently at someone. Notice their pupils. Are they dilated? Their body language. Is it open to you? Their movements. Do they mirror yours? 2, ask them questions about themselves. Intimate inquiries that dive into their victories and vulnerabilities.
What's something that you've always dreamed of doing that you haven't done yet?
If there was a fire at your place, what would you say? 3, exemplify that you're trustworthy, reliable, and most importantly, selfful, not to be mistaken with selfish. 4, touch them. #no Weinstein. Touch their hands, their wrist. When you hug them, graze the edges of their face. 5, make sure they can smell you. Obvious no, make sure you smell good. But not this kind of good. Your own natural kind of good. A pro note, smelling like something familiar can create memory associations. So instead of a foreign fragrance, consider a signature but familiar scent. 6, moving on now for the fun part. Kiss. Taste their spit. Exchange detailed information about your DNA for theirs. Notice your intuition. You've been programmed to read a lot about a person from this single exchange. Let the force inside guide you. Also, don't stop at 1. Now isn't the time to be polite. How much time do we have? Oh, we wasted most of it on the kiss? Okay, let's speed this up. 7, every time you see them, smile. Make the first moments with you rewarding and addicting. 8, make eye contact a lot. Ask a lot of questions and listen. And so they went up to like Savo Beach. Do you know Savo Beach?
Yeah. Did you say you used to always love going there as a kid?
Yeah, I did. You remember?
Yeah.
So I brought it up to like once. How do you remember that? Well, anyways. Studies show we only truly listen about 25% of the time we're being spoken to. Meaning 1, we gotta do better. And 2, when we actually listen, people notice. 9, do adrenaline-boosting activities together. After about 18 months, your body stops automatically responding with spikes of dopamine and other adrenal chemicals to your lover, meaning you're on your own, and Netflix and chill is no longer as thrilling as it used to be. 10, set hard boundaries in soft tones. No one wants a pushover or a bulldozer. You've got to find and master that balance for yourself. And bonus, love and adore the fuck out of yourself. Know your value and don't be afraid to make that clear to anyone who is blessed with your time and affection. And yeah, more or less, that's how to fall in love. How to stay in love, how to fall out of love, those are a whole other set of videos.
Hello lovers, big shout out to Makiba and Daniel, who are actually married, one of my favorite married couples, for starring in that video. You guys did awesome. That list that I made, was based on different books that I've read and research that I've done, but I'm always curious to hear from you and what your experience has been. So I think in the comment section below, we can have a really cool discussion. Answer this question. How would someone go about making you fall in love with them? Knowing yourself as well as you do, what scents, what sights, what actions, what behaviors would really just make you feel enamored with somebody. And I never want to mistake that with manipulation. This is not about tricking somebody into liking you so that you can be an asshole to them. It's about creating a meaningful connection with somebody and doing it in a way that they're going to receive and it's going to allow you to give, and of course vice versa. So again, in the comment section below, how would somebody go about making you fall in love with them?
I get it, girl. Oh yeah, I get it, girl. Yeah, I get it, girl. Oh. And if you don't know, get it, girl. Oh. Yeah, I get it, girl.